Good morning, Year 3, and welcome to Friday's English lesson. Today we are going to be writing up a letter from our text, The Day the Crayons Quit. I chose to story map Grey Crayon's letter, so the first thing we need to do today is read back our story map so it makes sense. If you're in Free Daffodil, you already know how much I love a funny story map. To the rest of Year 3, I hope it makes sense. Okay. Let's see what I did yesterday. So, Duncan, comma, grey crayon here, full stop. You're killing me. I know that elephants are grey, ... but that's a lot of space to colour in all by myself. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. ... You know how tired I am after handling one of those big things. Such big animals. ... Baby penguins are grey, you know. So are tiny rocks, pebbles. Oh, need to just lower this. How about one of those once in a while to give me a break? Your very tired friend, Grey Crayon. Okay, I know I read that slower than it would have been in the book, but I think it makes sense. So let's get started. So need a capital letter for Duncan. And as you can see on my story map, I put a comma. So I'm going to pop a comma into my grey crayon here. Full stop. Your, or apostrophe re, because it's you are killing me, exclamation mark. I can know, using my spelling voice obviously there to remember that K. I know that elephants are grey. Then we've got an ellipse, 3 dots. But that, I need an apostrophe because it's that is a contraction, but that's a lot of space to colour in all by myself. Full stop. Right, I'm just going to pause there because one of the things that we are also at in Year 3 is up-levelling our vocabulary. So one of the things we can do is have a look at some of the adjectives. Duncan, right here, you're killing me. I know that elephants are grey. That's a lot of space to colour in all by myself. So, let's have a look at a lot just here. Now, there are loads of synonyms for a lot. So I could have many, but that's a many space to colour in. That's a huge amount of space. I prefer that. That's a, let's try a huge amount of space. Okay, you're killing me. I know that elephants are grey, but that's, oh, I need an A, huge amount of space to colour in all by myself. Right, love that. That's a huge amount. of space to colour in by myself. So I've made a slight adjustment, and I think I want to perhaps put something in here. I know that elephants are grey. Love elephants. I know that. Also, elephants are grey, but that's a huge amount to colour in all by myself. Okay, I quite like that. I might change it later. I might not. Now, this is definitely an informal letter, because if I look after my full stop here, I've got my and here, and we don't usually use and to start a sentence. In fact, I know we've worked really hard not to start our sentences. However, in this case, we can break that rule. So here we go. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. And then we have another ellipse. So I'm going to stop there for today. I could carry on writing, however, I probably will whilst you're carrying on with yours. So remember, use your story map, use the punctuation that is within it. If you're not quite sure, if you forgot to do that yesterday, have another listen, have a look at the text. Can you fit it in? Also, try and up level as you go. And as you would normally do in school, I'm lucky I can type. I can just insert it here, hence this bit here. I managed to just insert. So if you're typing it, easy peasy. But if you're writing on paper today, just remember to do a little arrow going up. Can I do it on here? Yeah. And then just try and slot it in like you would at school. Right, I hope you're all okay. Enjoy writing your letters. If you get a chance to, try and upload them to your class teacher's dojo, onto your portfolio. We'd love to see how you're getting on with your letters. Take care.